Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's quick tech tip is going to be on how to get these rubber intakes off right here. So we have the air box behind us here. We got this rubber. As these get older, they get harder. Now, Hondas and stuff are usually pretty good about staying a little flexible. It's pretty flexible here, but it's pretty hard to get off because it's just stiff on here. So my tip today is going to be using a heat gun. Now there is gas in here. Don't use a torch or anything silly like that. I'm just using a regular heat gun. All right, and we're just going to warm it up. Just slightly warm the thing up a little bit so the rubber gets really soft, and as it gets really soft, it's going to pull off really easy. And this will prevent you from damaging any of the rubber on here and tearing it. And you can do the same when you're trying to get it back on again. Okay, warm it up, put a little bit of Seal Glide on the inside lip so it slides right back onto the carburetor, and it's going to make installing and removing these things a whole lot easier. Let's see what we got now. Yeah, look at that. Look, it comes right off. And then you can move it out of the way. It's more flexible, and it will get hard again as it sits here and cools down. When you go to put it back on, warm it up, a little bit of Seal Glide in here to slip back in, guys. That is today's tech tip. Hopefully this helps you out so you don't tear up any of your rubber pieces on your bike, and you can reuse them. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notification, guys. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.